Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Materials: 2 oranges, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1 cup rolled oats or cornmeal, 1/4 cup raisins optional, 1/4 cup sunflower seeds optional, 4 pieces light twine or heavy string, each 8 to 10 inches long.
Let's help you make your mark.
All types of bread can be digested by birds, but ideally it should only be just one component in a varied diet. Bread does not contain the necessary protein and fat birds need from their diet, and so it can act as an empty filler. Crumbled bread is suitable in small quantities, but moisten if it is very dry.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Feed meat eaters the right food. Feed them high-protein dry kitten or dog food that has been soaked in water so that it is soft, or canned pureed meats prepared for infants such as chicken or beef. You can also feed them boiled chicken or live insects like flies and mealworms.
Take our lead.
Cereal, stale or leftover cereal and oats, including rolled or quick oats, is a tasty bird treat. For the best nutrition and most attractiveness, offer birds cereal with lower sugar content and fewer artificial dyes. 30 November 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.